like that. When I gave you all I had, I gave you the real me, told you all my feelings, and you gonna turn around and front like you don't feel me. I put that on my life that I ain't seen this coming. Opened up my heart, I should've never let you come in. Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try.
Okay, you guys, so all I'm about to do is cut the lace off this wig. I am going to go in with a little bit of my pressed powder because this lace is a little bit ashy tannish. Well, not tannish, but ashy. Got an ash look to it, and I don't think it will blend with my skin complexion. So what I'm going to do, like I said, is put a little bit of my pressed powder on this unit. Then I'm going to cut the lace, and then I'm going to apply it to my head. I'm going to adjust the screens in the drawstrings in the back as well, you guys, so that way I will not have to apply any glue to this wig, so that way I can take it off as I please. So once I finish doing that, I'll be back with my thoughts. Okay, you guys? Okay, you guys, so this right here is the wig on my hair straight out the box. So what I'm going to do is take my curling iron and just press out right here. It's a little bulky for me. But so far, so good. I'm actually loving this wig. So just give me a minute. Let me press this down and I'll be back. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on this unit that I am wearing today. This is the BUTTA lace from the makers of What Lace, you guys, and this is by Sensational. So this right here is what the stock card looks like right here. So the style that I am wearing is BUTTA Unit 2. And the color that I am wearing is Money Piece Caramel, you guys. So let's get into this wig. So this wig has wider parting and is ear-to-ear lace, you guys. My daughter just walked up in here and just destroyed the whole thing. So no, I'm just gonna continue with it, okay? So like I said, the hairline is pre-plucked. You can put out baby hairs. I decided that I did not want to put out any baby hairs. Per usual, I never really like to put out baby hairs with my units, but whatever. This wig is glueless. I did not glue this wig down. Do you guys see how good that HD lace blends though? Like, wow, you guys. Like, this wig looks so good. If you do not like the color that I am wearing, you guys, you can get this in several different colors as well. I'm not sure on how long this wig is. It is pretty long on me. I'm thinking maybe 23 inches, if that. Probably longer, but I think maybe 23 inches. Okay, you guys, this right here is what it is showing on the inside. It's just showing you how normal and HD lace are very different. Another thing that I do like about this wig, you guys, is that it has layers and it's framing my face. So I do love the layers. Tangling, I did get tangling with this wig. I actually dropped this unit on the ground by mistake. I didn't mean to, y'all. I was, you know how you just rushing trying to do your hair real quick. I was rushing before my kids come here. Obviously, you saw my daughter pop up. But I was rushing. But anyway, yeah. So this wig also had shedding as well, you guys. I did get some shedding. I did comb this wig out. It's not much, but that is what I got. So yeah, y'all. But as far as shine, it does have a little shine to it, but it's not bad at all. So I do like this wig, you guys. Really nice, definitely affordable. It was, I think, $59.99 on the website. So I am loving this color. So like I said, I did get some tangling, as you guys can see right now. But this right here is what the side is giving. Love, love, love the layers. Super, super pretty. Yeah, so I just wanted to come and give you guys my thoughts on this wig. Like I said, it is glueless. It does come with clips as well. It comes with 3 clips, adjustable scraps 2, and that's what I utilized today in this video. I utilized the adjustable scraps. I didn't use the combs, but I did utilize the adjustable scraps in this video today. So that way I wouldn't have to apply any glue or spray to this wig. So yeah, the only thing that I did was go in with my curler wand. You guys, I told you that in the video that I wanted to come and press this part out, which I did. So that's all that I really done to this unit. I actually, like I said, I do love it. It does tangle, and you do get a little bit of shedding, but it's not much. So yeah, you guys, definitely want to come and share this video with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys like this video. Give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.